Hopefully some folks will be joining me here shortly. There's Barbara. Hi, Miss Barbara. I just sent you an email. Hi, Tiffany. Hi, Teresa. What part of California do you live in? Hello, hello, everybody. Okay, great, Barbara. Oh, Ceres. Yeah. That's not very far from me. Hey, Mary, I called and left you a message, Miss Mary Hubbard, because I lost your order. I know. Fantastic customer service. I actually think that a family member might have thrown it away whilst cleaning. So I need you to call me back. Please. Not right now, obviously, but like in 10 minutes when this is done. I would appreciate it. Let's see. Hi, Mary Ellen. Hi, Sharon. How's the weather in Missouri today, Sharon? I am more than halfway there. Oh, I'm so glad you're enjoying this, Cheryl. Hi, Patricia. How's the weather in Indiana? It is supposed to be how much, sister? How much is the temperature today? 107?
107 today, 109 tomorrow.
107 today and 109 tomorrow. It's supposed to be in the hundreds all week. So I'm not doing a Facebook face-to-face today because I have on no makeup. My hair is not did. And I am in my swimsuit and muumuu, because I am getting my butt in the swimming pool off and on throughout the day. That's what I decided this morning when I woke up. I said, you know, Wendy, today seems like a good day to be in the pool a lot. So I'll be going and dipping in the pool and cooling off, and then working, and then going in the pool and then working. I figure that's a good plan for my day. Patricia says, hot, humid. Nice and cool in Montana today. We had nice rain last night. We are going to hit high 90 by weekend. Oh, Mary Ellen, way to rub it in. Minnesota is dark and cloudy as usual.
Oh, man, I'm not coming.
Yuck. I do not envy you, Sue. I do not like that kind of weather. I will be outside before 7 a.m. and inside until after 10 p.m. Don't do heat well, Barbara says. Ah, thanks, Miss Mary. I agree, Renice. I hope that's how you say your name. Nothing better than pool days. Okay, so I filled up row 5, or I should say my amazing customers filled up row 5. And we're halfway filled up on row 6. I don't know what happened last night. Maybe y'all drank some wine, had a little, drinky drinks, and started ordering like crazy, because I got all kinds of orders last night. It was nuts. I was very excited about it. But in case you're new and you don't know what we're talking about, I want to just share with you. I am giving away 10, the goal is to give away 10 Stampin' Cut and Emboss machines in the month of August. So when you place an order with me, I start filling boxes and your name goes into the drawing. And if you place an order of 50 or more, you're going to get a pack of all the trimmings, embellishments. Actually, I'm going to have sister mail some of them out today. And you have to use this host code. So if you order 150 or more, you don't want to use the host code, because then you'll miss out on your Stampin' rewards. And you'll also get entered to win a Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. But you can be entered more than once. So let's say you placed an order with me while I was filling up row number 2. but I did the drawing and your name didn't get drawn, it's still in here. Then when maybe you placed another order during row number 4, your name got added again, and so on and so forth. So your name is added in here several times if you have ordered during these pockets of time. So I have about $500 left to go to fill up row number 6. So if you order during that in the next 600, then your name will get put in again. So as we go, your chances kind of lessen because you've got people all the way from back here that are still entered in the drawing. If you place a large order, so every $100, I fill up a row. So let's say you place a $500 order. Then that is going to take up 5 boxes. Each box represents $100 in orders. So if you place like a $500 order, which I have had somebody do, I'm going to enter your name 5 times because you have filled up 5 boxes. Does that make sense? So, yeah, okay. That's everything. That's all the housekeeping, I think. All of these machines will be ordered in the month of September when they're available and shipped directly from Stampin' Up! To the winner. Our winners so far have been Bev Meeker, Carol Gowrie, Estella Ituarte, Emily Sherrard. So we're about to draw number 5. Here we go. Wash your hands and say your prayers because Jesus and germs are everywhere. Here we go. Winner, winner, Joyce Burwell. Woohoo! Sisters clapping for you. Joyce Burwell has been a customer of mine for years. Years and years and years and years. That's really awesome. Yay, Joyce. Congrats, my friend. So she's winner number 5. We still have 5 more giveaways. You can order with me at shoploveandstampin.com. And you just want to put in this host code number if you remember and if you place an order of 50 or more. If you forget, because I've had a couple people forget, I can go ahead and enter the host code for you. So don't get too stressed out about that. Yeah, congrats, Joyce. Everybody's congratulating Joyce. So very exciting. Yay. Okay. I'm not going to hang out super long today. Why? Because I have a video that I need to voice over and get edited and a blog post to write for your Color Splash number 10. Can you believe I've been doing the Color Splash now for 10 weeks? I can't believe it. So Color Splash 10 will come out this afternoon and I'll make sure to share it here on my Facebook page. I hope you guys have been enjoying the Color Splash videos and all the fun things I've been doing each week with them. I've really found my love and groove with them. I have super enjoyed doing it and I think it's not something I'm going to be stopping anytime soon. So hopefully you're enjoying it. All right. I'm going to let you guys go. I hope you have an amazing Friday. If by chance this gets filled up by tonight or tomorrow, I'll be back on live again. So I'm going live every single time we fill up a row and doing another drawing. I will talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye. Say bye, sister.
Bye, sister.